Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. Episode number 32. Today's rubric is Censorious Critical. What is meant by censorious? Censorious is a fault finding or criticizing others' lot or inclined to look for and point out faults and defects, apt to blame or condemn, severe in making remarks on others or in their writings or manners. Someone who is censorious judges everyone and everything. He is typical critical with others. For example, somebody else at you for everything you do, even tiny minor mistakes. This is an example of when he might be described as censorious. Then what is the Hindi meaning of censorious? दोष निकलने वाला, कड़ी आलोचनी करने वाला, दोष दृष्टि निकालने वाला. Then what is the Marathi meaning? कडक टीका करणारा, दोष काढणारा. This is Marathi meaning. What are the remedies? Remedies are arsenic, sulfur, veratum, arnica, Bryatacar, bromium, causticum, graphitis, halonis, apicat, lachesis, lycopodium, nux-vomica, phosphorus, platina and sepia. So these are the number of remedies. Now you see the cross references for censorious. First is abusive. Abusive means attacking in a rude speech, temporary, treat improperly or speaks harshly, habit of employing harsh insulting language, using rude language to insult somebody, to use harsh and insulting language in cruel and violent way. He is abusive and desires to snub all those who have different views from him. This is abusive. Then carefulness. Carefulness means cautious and watchful, or heedfulness, cautious, vigilance in guarding against evil and providing for safety. One can be cautious before anything happens and careful while doing something. So this is carefulness. Then next cross reference, conscientious trifles about. What is meant by conscientious? Conscientious means carefulness of slightest matter to do what is right, or it is undue or disproportionate amount of trouble over tasks which cannot be understood as being of more than minor significance. This is conscientious trifles about. The next cross reference, contradict disposition to. What is meant by contradict or contradiction? It is a tendency to assert opposite of, or tendency to oppose or to contradict others, or speech, action or version of anybody with argument and by using his intellect. Or it is a opposition whether by words, reproaches or attempts to defeat. This is contradict. Then contrary. Contrary means oppose whatever said or proposed without understanding as a consequences of his nature, completely indifferent in character. There is a feeling that he is deliberately avoiding, trying to see or to compel with the other's position. This is contrary. Then critical. Critical means criticism, fault finding with others, disapproval, making fair, careful judgment about the good and bad qualities of someone or something. This is critical. Then next cross reference, cynical. Cynical means destructing or contemptuous of the virtues of others, related or belonging to cynic, that is fault finding. Cynical is concerned only with one's own interest and typically disregarding accepted or appropriate standards in order to achieve them. This is cynical. The next cross reference, dictatorial, domineering, dogmatic, despotic. Now, what is meant by dictatorial? Dictatorial means to give order and expect others to obey, who want to control other people in a cruel and totally unfair way. Or they have their own principles. They force these principles on others. The patient seeks to actually influence the actions, beliefs, etc. of others by the imposition of his or her own will. This is dictatorial. In dictatorial, there is a showing of autocratic manner, that is Tanashai. And in domineering means that is to assert one's will over another in arrogant way, that is Dabang style. And dogmatic means inclined to lay down principles as an undeniable truth. And despotic means using their power over others in a cruel and unfair way. This is despotic. Then next cross reference, fastidious. Fastidious means hard to please. Anything that is in the state of disorder displease them, marked by very delicate in taste, liking, sensitive or demanding attitude, or it is a difficult to please, wanting everything to be perfect, giving too much attention to small details, wanting everything to be correct and perfect. This is fastidiousness. The next cross reference, haughty. Haughty means to proud, arrogant. There is excessive calm over something in comparison to others. Haughty is arrogant and full of pride. When you are haughty, you have a big attitude and act like you are better than the others. A haughty person acts superior and looks down to others, on others. This is haughty. Then intolerance. Intolerance means not willing to accept ideas, views, or way of behaving that are different from your own inability to bear. This is intolerance. The next cross reference, mocking, sarcasm. Mocking means to laugh at, to disappointment, who imitate in contempt. When you laugh at someone or something in an unkind way, then sarcasm means it is a taunt or it is a bitter remark. Use of remarks which clearly means the opposite of what they say and which are made in order to hurt someone feeling or to criticize something in an amusing way. This is sarcasm. Then mood repulsive. Mood means it is a conscious subject of state of mind, a pre-presentation of feeling which may be good, bad or changeable, a temporary state of mind or feeling, may the way you feel at a particular time. This is mood. Then prejudice. A prejudice means it is a previous inclination of mind formed with regard to evidence, preconceived opinion, not based on actual experience, bias or partiality. The next cross reference, quarrelsome. Quarrelsome is it is a tendency to quarrel or dispute for the slightest matter. Argumentative. A quarrel is an angry argument or disagreement between two people who are usually at good terms. The next cross reference, reproaches others. It is a word or remark expressing blame or criticism. To criticize someone especially for not being successful or not doing what is expected an actual or expression of criticism, and censure an expression or rebuke or disapproval. This is reapproaches others. The next cross reference, rest cannot rest when the things are not in proper place. That is a relief or freedom from trouble or exertion. That is the rest. The next cross reference, sceptic. Sceptic means it is doubter, especially in the religion, or a person who usually doubts that claims or statements are true, especially those other people's believe in. The next cross reference, silent disposition to be fault finding. The silent means quiet, not speaking, talks very less. Then slender disposition to. Slender means it is a false spoken statement intended to damage the good opinion people have of someone, or it is a habit of talking bad things about others. They make false statement about other people or talk in such a way that the person will get hurt. This is slander disposition. Then talking fault of others about thee. Talking means the act of expressions one's thoughts, feelings, or desires by means of words. This is talking. Then this is all about the cross references of sensories. Now you see the miasm of sensories. Miasm is psychosis. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of sensories? First is personality disorder and second is schizophrenia. So friends, this is all about the sensories. Thank you.